Glory.
Put a stopper on death.
They should call it a cork. Why a stopper? Stopper. Oh, by the way, I left it open.
The canaries are gonna get you. They're canaries. It smells like poison in here. Yeah, it smells like gas. Bird. Camera right there. Oh. Canaries are guiding us. I missed it. I think I missed it.
Right there. Are they sparrows or swallows?
Canary.
They're sparrows because I know this. Because
I know this
Captain
because
Jack Sparrow.
Because Jack Sparrow, Pirates of the Caribbean.
It's only hurt my toes when I Naruto reacted. Really hard.
That was awesome. I'm glad we went in.
Okay, let's just go home now.
Yeah.
I'm
Goodbye.
done. See you guys. Bye. Do you want me to?
Yes.
I turned it off. Doesn't look as cool though.
It's not even British accent. It's just a
Yeah,
loud
let's
lady.
just leave now. It's just a loud.
It's not recording a commercial.
Aaron, stop writing. I already have that song. Unchellify.
Ew. Is that really what I look like? Oh, I've never seen this.
It's like an inflated ice
I've seen it
plant.
once before.
It's a bagpipe.
The inflated bagpipe of Northern Sutherland.
Western, Sutherland, Eastern, North, South.
These ones are just sprouting, so their cries won't kill you yet. But they will knock you out for several hours, so that's why I've given each of you a pair of earmuffs.
Especially you, Neville.
Why especially Neville? She doesn't even
Hufflepuff.
10 points for Hufflepuff.
Harry,
Bloody hell, Harry!
Talks you! Battery! What if it just moved towards us?
Actually, Patrick, zoom in.
Okay, do it again. Talks you! Factory!
Harry, it's closer, Harry! Harry, bloody!
Everybody,
Harry, Harry! Someone's rolling their windows down, like, what the fuck?
Harry, Why are we yelling at the factory?